It's commonplace to think of team dynamics as a linear process of development, from forming to storming and norming to performing, as popularised by the Tuckman model. Another way to think of team dynamics is to imagine a system with inputs, which are transformed by team processes into outputs, including the project deliverables and outcomes. The engine of transformation at the heart of the model is what we might call the team's collective learning capability. This capability includes the team's collective knowledge and intelligence, together with its ability as a team to use this knowledge to achieve its goals successfully. Of course, the contents and quality of these knowledge resources will vary with the inputs or the team members themselves. We all have different forms of knowledge, and we all have different cognitive abilities or ways of collecting, interpreting, and organising information. The different ways in which the team members see and make sense of the world, and their individual backgrounds and experiences, all contribute to the team's knowledge and its ability to learn and adapt. The variety and diversity of the team's knowledge resources will influence the team's ability to analyse, interpret, make decisions, and solve complex problems. By contrast, teams with limited or homogeneous knowledge resources and cognitive styles tend to be prone to error, complacency, and groupthink. Homogeneous groups tend to produce conventional or predictable responses to complex challenges. More diverse teams, on the other hand, often outperform homogeneous ones in terms of speed of learning, ability to problem solve, and the ability to generate novel and innovative ideas. However, excessive diversity, especially cognitive diversity, can have downsides in project teams. While a certain amount of cognitive diversity may enhance collective intelligence by supplying the necessary cognitive inputs for task work, very high degrees of diversity create high coordination costs. In other words, team members with different perspectives have a hard time understanding each other, and this requires mediation. These differences can also lead to low team cohesion and commitment, cliques or silo thinking, or, at worst, competition and dysfunctional social interactions between team members. As a project manager, your task is to create conditions for the team to build and utilise its learning system to best effect, to deliver the project outputs and outcomes while avoiding unhelpful interactions and unproductive conflict.